So, we're cooking in the sun and heading to our boat on the way to Amak. Oh, we have some traffic here. Good Lord. They got air conditioning on this shit. Alright guys, well, we're about to get on this boat. I'll film some from there. And yeah, see what happens. What we think?
Bien, muy bien.
Here we go. ¿Está bien para sentar aquí para viaje o no?
¿Quieren irse ahí?
Sí.
Sí.
We got some beers, some homies, and the Amazon. What up? Salud. Hit me. Hey. Let's go. Let's go fishing. Let's go fishing. Let's go. We got the cervezas in the jungle. You just gotta get in there, bud. Don't be a step right in that shit. Oh yeah. Jungle cervezas, baby. You like beer? He's 14, bro. I don't know what's the legal drinking age in Bermuda. 21 or what? 18. 18. Hola, señora.
How's the movement like this?
Yeah.
Fish on, fish on. You ever watch River Monsters? Yeah.
If a fish blows up on that thing, that would be crazy.
Just fucking put it out there, eh?
You gotta shake the tip in the water.
Oh, okay. ¿Cómo así? Oh, okay.
Las pirañas.
Piranha?
It's a catfish.
It's a weird looking fish.
Duele mucho.
Ah.
Una preguntita.
Bro, he caught another one already. ¿Cómo se puede?
¿Cuántos años?
Es su tamaño. Tamaño. Reguía.
Aegea.
Alergia.
Got one. ¿Está bien para tocar?
Eso inca también significa.
Leo.
Oh, I don't know. It's a weird looking fish.
My first fish on the Amazon. I need your bait. Aquí? Making our way through the Amazon jungle. It's day 3. Oh shit, bro! Some shit flew into my ear. Good.
Selva primario.
Selva primario. What the hell? How the fuck does that happen? ¿Qué viejo es?
350 años.
350 years.
Ajá. Mira. Tiene bastante energía positiva. Hay que tocarlo.
Yeah.
Hay que tocar el árbol. Para...
Sí. ¿Está bien si yo toco?
Sí, no hay problema.
Me doy un abrazo.
Ajá, un abrazo y pida tu mejor.
Hugging a tree.
Bueno, si desean les tomo una foto.
Sí.
Más arriba.
Point it up a
más
bit
arriba,
first
más
to see
arriba.
where it's hanging from.
Más.
Más arriba? ¿Yo?
Ah, ya, ahora sí. Ajá.
Oh shit.
Por acá.
It's kind of hard. Okay, okay.
Ajá. Sí, sí. Más. Eco ahora. Ajá. Ajá. Ya. Mejor.
Bro, that's sick. Better than me.
Muy chévere.
Here we are in the middle of this little lake out here. Wow. Ajá, hola. Wow.
Ya. Sí. A ver, ¿dónde te pueden sentar?
Gracias. Okay, ahora está.
Bien.
Ujú. Muy bien.
¿Y cuál es tu favorito comida?
Ahí está.
Pango.
Mango? Okay.
Pango.
Pango.
Ajá.
Okay.
Pango is the most traditional typical food in the Amazon.
Okay.
Pango included just a simple thing, banana and fish or
Okay.
meat. Nothing else they use it. Solamente plátano, carne y pescado.
Okay.
Ya, y plátano fresco, ¿no? O yuca fresca. Ya,
Okay.
eso es, no hay otra cosa más. Todo es agua, meat, fish, y salt.
Okay.
That's all.
Yeah.
Agua.
Bueno,
Gracias, chicos. Muy buena canción. Okay. So here we are. This tribe is called something Agua? Agua?
something like this.
Look at the camera.
The weird name, I forget what it was. It was like not too rogue of a word.
What?
Their name. I forgot.
Es como el agua. ¿Cómo se llama este tribu? El tribu? El grupo? Niagua. Okay. Niagua. Niagua. Wow. Es un poco difícil, ¿no? No sé. Whoa. Impressivo. Wow. this is pretty wild. Alright, let's go see what's going on in the house here. Sound like the kids are having some fun. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 Woo! Bueno, chicos. Gracias. Okay, so that was pretty dope. We got a bow and arrow. We got face paint. I got a blow dart. Leo got a lot of little things. Little guys. Leo, nice skirt, bud. We're heading back. We have our bow and arrow. Leo's got his clothes. What do you think? Muchas gracias. Your hat. Oh. And we got our paint on our face.
Fiesta de aniversario. Ajá, ya, ahí hay fiesta. ¿Sí?
¿Mucha cerveza?
Hay mucha cerveza. Muchos.
So here we are at the island of the monkeys. And this is our last day here in Iquitos. Oh shit.
Another reason why those type of monkeys are really famous is like Arnold. Arnold have like a really thick meat, legs and arms, like enough meat to eat them. So making if we are in hard in the females. They're really jealous only with females. ¿Quién es novia de él? ¿Ninguna?
No, no tengo novia.
Are you single? You are single now.
Ahora tengo novia.
You are.
Not single anymore.
Esposa.
Now you can say you are single and ready to mingle. It's just for you.
¿Cómo se llama?
Emma.
Emma. Okay.
So those species of monkeys use the tail as a fifth arm. You can just watch right here, fifth like a palm of the hand. You can just come close here and touch her. Just the tail. That one wrap around and you can hold, and she can just hold all the body weight.
Sí, pues tiene así
Durazo, ¿ah? Es re duro. Sí, así bien áspera.
What up, my boy? Bro, it's just either dead or asleep. No, he's asleep. He's just chilling. ¿Cómo vas? Bro, this one's adorable. He's so light, man. Give it a kiss. Okay. Yeah, give me this. Vamos. Aquí.
Melita.
Melita.
¿Reconoces su nombre?
No. Reconocen sonidos.
Melita.
Ay, ahí está. Ahora estaba allá y ya se vino corriendo acá.
Leo. Better than the building.
Ya son agresivos, pero ellos sí también se los va a tener que liberar y pronto, porque si no se van a estresar.
¿Cuánto tiempo llevan?
Aquí están como 8 meses ya dentro de la jaula. Todavía están felices.
All working together.
No todavía muestran síndromes de estrés.
Pero si han nacido acá, ¿por qué están así?
Island of the monkeys. See ya, bro. See ya. Have a good life. Maybe I'll see you again someday.
Hands, bro.
See you, buddy.
Having a good time.
What do you think?
Bueno.
Fun times?
Amazing.
Okay, well, I think this is kind of like the end of our trip. Almost, pretty much. Now we got some stuff. Lunch and get back to the airport, so it might be the end of the video. But we'll see. So, salud.